Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now, yeah, you've seen the title and you've seen the thumbnail, but I just wanted to go over something first. So I was unable to release the Using Your Imagination Part 2 video today, and that's because it literally got dark before I got done filming yet again. I do promise it will be out sometime soon, just know that it might not be today, because I literally didn't finish filming, so that's impossible. So moving on, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to literally firebend. It's super simple, pretty much anyone can do it, and all you need is a few things. First, you're gonna need your hands. That was just a little challenge for me while I'm editing. Then you're gonna need either a phone or a computer, and then finally, you're going to need to subscribe to this channel, Luke and Wood, my second channel, Crazed Z, my third channel, The Wilhelm Enthusiast, and finally, my friend's channel, Jackson the Coolest. And then, you'll be able to do this. Ha! 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 I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Let me know if it really worked for you, because it should. There's no reason why it wouldn't. Literally no reason whatsoever. And I'll see you next time.